Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, lamb and potato curry. This is absolutely delicious. We've got some incredible, lovely Indian spices in there. Takes a little time to cook, but it's really worth it. Get some rice on. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's take a look at what we've got here. By the way, I'm going to put the amounts of everything in the text below. Tomatoes, I've got like 3 tomatoes there, chopped. Try and use a nice juicy ripe tomato. 1 large onion, red I'm using, cut nice and small. Equal parts of potatoes and the lamb, roughly. I've got my potatoes there, nice and chunky, peeled them and give them a little wash. Lamb, mostly meat, but a few bones in there, little tiny bit of fat. Curry leaves, if you can get those, well done. They're absolutely wonderful. If not, try and get some dried ones. Here, some green cardamom, cumin seeds. About 2 teaspoons of the cumin seeds and a few green cardamoms. And then our powders, like I always tell you, the big 4, equal parts of turmeric, coriander, chili powder and cumin, like a teaspoon each. 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste, which is a 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger, and fresh chilies. You can put as many as you like in. I'm keeping mine whole today. Chop them if you want. We're gonna start with some oil. We're gonna add some salt, of course, and perhaps a little bit of garam masala powder at the end. Let's get to the cooker. Okay, so I've got a pan here, and here's my oil. I'm using coconut oil today. You could be using a different type of oil if you want. That's just gonna melt down. And as that happens, let me grab our whole seeds. We can get them in now. That's our cumin seeds and those few green cardamoms. And we just want them to do their thing in that oil for a few seconds. To that I'm going to add our curry leaves. Fabulous, fabulous, already amazing aromas happening there. Now time for our lamb. Let's get that in next. And like I say, mostly meat, a few little bones in there, nice little bit of fat. Medium heat. We're going to cook this for about 5 minutes. Okay, so we've got a nice bit of colour on this meat. We're now going to drop in our onion. Our garlic ginger paste. I'm going to get some salt in the mix there now. We're going to go for about another 3 or 4 minutes. Fantastic. Okay, let's get those powders in and let's just take one more look. Now if you wanted, you could be using a curry powder. What I've got is 1 teaspoon each of turmeric, coriander, chili and cumin. Let's get that in there. Along with our fresh chili. And then we're going to add in our fresh tomatoes. Like I say, try and use the ripest tomato that you can. A glass of water. And we might be adding some more water as well, by the way. We're going to check out our tomatoes first. And we're going to cook this for about 5 minutes. What we want is those tomatoes to break down, give off some moisture. If they don't give off enough, we're going to add some water to it. Give it a stir every now and then. So I've got plenty of water there, maybe not enough, as my tomatoes are breaking down. Okay, we're nearly there now, so I'm going to add some more water. So I've added 2 cups of water now. Then we're going to get our potatoes in. Like I said, I've cut mine nice and chunky. Give that a mix. We're going to get a lid on this, get the heat down quite low, just above a simmer. Get a lid on it. Let it go for, you know, about 15 or 20 minutes, and then the magic's going to happen in that time. So lower the heat, not a simmer but above a simmer. Now this is going to give it time to really get that lamb really nice and tender and cook our potatoes. So in about 15-20 minutes, you can give it a stir every now and then. Okay, off goes the heat, off comes the lid. Let me let some steam out of there for you. And that is absolutely wonderful. That meat's super tender now. Those potatoes are cooked to perfection. We're going to add a little bit of garam masala powder, nice couple of hefty pinches. We're going to get some fresh cilantro in there, or coriander, whatever you call that. We're going to give that a little mix, and that is absolutely divine. I love this one. White rice at the ready. That is going to be absolutely delicious. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.